Hello friends, my name is Siddhant Kumar and you are watching Nilmuk Figures. Before starting the video, I request you all to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to know all updates of videos related to online earning. So guys, today I am going to tell you about a website whose name is BTC Cash Daddy. Before that, I request you all to like and share to my Facebook page where you can find my all videos that I post on YouTube. So without wasting time, let's go to the official website of BTC Cash Daddy. So guys, this is the official website of BTC Cash Daddy. Here you can see nearly 31 members have paid till now. It's the total member and here is the active members. One thing that you all have to notice here that the all members that are the total member that is showing here is all paid, means it's not same as other websites. In other website nearly 1000 members registered but nearly 100 to 200 members paid. Let's go to the official Facebook page of this website. So you have to just scroll it down at the bottom, and here you will see a Facebook, and here you will see Facebook logo, and you have to click on it and you will be diverted to the official Facebook page of BTC Cash Daddy. So guys, this is the official page of Facebook page of BTC Cash Daddy. Here you can see a video is there. It's in Hindi, and if you don't know English, then you can watch this video. All the details are given in Hindi also. So guys, let's go and see the how much members are there in this group and who's the admin of this website. So guys, nearly 1006 members are there in this and 3 admins are there. So guys, let's see the admins. So guys, Ajit Chaudhary, Swastika Mukherjee and Azharuddin Mondal are the 3 main admins. And if you see the moderator of this group, then you will see I am also there in the moderator list, means assistant admin. Okay guys, so if you face any problem related to this website, then you can directly contact me also. My number is also in the left corner and you can contact me directly or directly inbox me in the Facebook, or you can directly contact to these 3 admins. They are very cooperative and well known person, and 110% these guys are genuine. Let I show you the profile of these admins. So this is the Facebook profile of Ajit Chaudhary and it's 110% genuine Facebook account. It's not fake. You can see here Ajit Chaudhary has also promoted my video. This guys is 110% genuine. It's not a fake account. Let us show you Swastika Mukherjee's account. So this is Swastika Mukherjee. She is wife of Ajit Chaudhary, as you can see here. This is also 110% genuine account. So now let us show you the Azharuddin Mondal's account. So guys, this is Azharuddin Mondal. This is also 110% genuine account. Why I am telling you these accounts are genuine? Because they have posted their photos and a lot of things that proves that these guys are genuine. Okay guys, and let us show you my own account. So here you can see Siddhant Kumar, and I am also the moderator of this group. So you can see also me, and I have posted a lot of photos and videos. So I am also 110% genuine guy. Okay, so let's move back to the official website of this BTC Cash Daddy. So let us show you the pay plan structure of this website. So as you can see here, it's a very small matrix program. You just have to invest 0.02 bitcoins, and after that you will gain 3 referrals from the system, and then you will receive donation of 0.06, and that donation will be sent to level 2. So you will enter into level 2, and in level 2 you will receive 9 referrals from the system, and all the 9 members to receive 0.06. Guys, I have created a small chart so that I can clarify the plan and how it works. So directly I show you the chart. So guys, this is a chart that I had made. You can see here BTC Cash Daddy plan. Okay guys, let imagine that you are here with an investment of 0.02. After that you will receive 3 downlines from the system, and all the members will be investing 0.02. You can see here, and after that let imagine this red color member will receive 3 downlines from the system, and similarly this green member and this violet member also receive 3 downlines. Okay guys, and afterwards when these 9 members will be cycled to level 2, means when these 9 members receive 3 members as their downline from the system, then you will be completely cycle out and you will receive 0.52 plus 1 re-entry. And guys, there are total 9 payouts in this system, and first payout will be from the here, and it will continue to the here, and it will continue to here. And let us show you how much you will be getting payouts in these 9 levels. So guys, when this member will be cycle out to level 2, and this member will get 3 member as their downline, so you will receive your first payout of 0.06, and this will be continued to member 8, means when the member 8 will also cycle out to level 2, then again you will receive 0.06, means 8 times 0.06 into 8 means 8 times you will receive 0.06 as payouts. And when the 9th member will be cycle out to level 2, then you will receive only payout of 0.04. Why this is so? Because the system is giving you 1 re-entry also, and the re-entry costs 0.02, means 0.04 plus 0.02, it will be 0.06. So on and all, totally you will receive 0.52 plus 1 re-entry from this system. So let I show you my own account. So I am logging into my account. So guys, this is my own account. You can see here notice box, welcome to Busy Cash Dedi, and today is Eid. So Eid Mubarak from me also guys. Let's make it huge. Let's promote it everywhere. Tell you your all invite about the system. Only BTC Cash Daddy help you to earn 0.5 only in 2 levels guys. Notice here, only in 2 levels. No other matrix program has launched till now that will pay you 0.5 bitcoins in only 2 levels. So guys, this is my account in BTC Cash Daddy. You can see here my position is 15 and I have joined it in pre-launch. So guys, I am in level 1 right now and I am active members. And one thing you should notice that guys, no person will survive here that has not paid. Means system will automatically delete members account that had not paid. So guys, here you will see joining sponsors account. So I have directly joined under admins. So here not showing any sponsor account. You can also join and join with me. This is my joining link. I will provide this link in the description box of this video. You can join under me, and I will be giving full support to you guys. Okay guys, so here you can see already 1 member had joined under me, and I have got referral commission of 0.005. As I have tell you earlier, you will receive referral commission of 0.005 and minimum payouts is 0.01 guys. Let's imagine you have added 2 members with your referral link and you will receive 0.01, then you can request a withdrawal of 0.01, or you can wait to cycle out this members. Means when this member will cycle out to level 2, means when this member will get 3 member as downline, then you will be getting 0.06 your first payout, then you can request it. So guys, here you can see donation sent, means I have sent 0.02 as membership fee. Okay guys, and one thing you have to notice guys, here you will be receiving 2500 ad credits. It's a huge guys. Okay, and you can promote other sites also here. And guys, here you will be seeing that level 1 and I have paid 0.02 and maximum downline is 3 guys, and currently here referrals are 0, and when system will provide me 3 members as my downline, then here 0.06 will be written, and at level 1 there is no re-entry and no profit, and afterwards serial number 2 will come here and level 2 will be showing here, and 0.06 will be written in place of donation, and maximum downline will be 9. And again this system will provide you 1 by 1 total 9 downlines, and you will be receiving 0.06 from each, and total you will be receiving 0.52 here, means received 0.052, and you will be receiving 1 entry. So here 0.02 will be written, and you will be getting total profit of 0.52 plus 1 re-entry, means 0.54 BTC. Again and again I show you the dashboard Here it's also written. You can see here 0.54 bitcoins again and again. How it is, guys? 0.52 plus 1 re-entry. Okay guys, and let us show you the next line, means how we will come to know that when we are going to cycle out. Guys, what you have to do, you just have to sign out from here and then click on logo of BTC Cash Daddy, and you will be directed to dashboard of BTC Cash Daddy, and here you will be seeing auto referral line. So guys, you just have to click on it, and after clicking on it you will be seeing here that level 1 and level 2. So let's see when I am going to cycle out to level 2. So guys, you can see here my position is 15 and I will be going to cycle out in few days. And currently Imtiaz Haq's ID, means whose position is 11, is going to cycle out in few days, and afterwards my number will also come. Guys, one thing you have to notice here, that it's a little different from other website. In other website, the ID that is showing at the top is going to cycle out to level 2, but in this website you have to scroll it down, and the ID that is showing at the bottom is going to cycle out. You don't have to confuse between it. Now let's see who's are in level 2 that are going to cycle out soon. So we have to click level 2, and here you can see Amit Pavle, whose position is 2. It's going to cycle out completely. Guys, it's completely means this Amit Pavle's ID will going to earn 0.52 bitcoins plus 1 re-entry. Okay guys, means whose ID going to cycle out from level 2? It means that you will be earning 0.52 plus 1 re-entry. Currently Amit Pavle, from my calculation, currently Amit Pavle has already earned 0.36 bitcoins. Guys, 0.36 bitcoins. You can also calculate it on your own. And when this guy cycle out from here, and Amit Pavle will earn 0.52 bitcoins and 1 re-entry. And one thing more I want to tell you guys, that if you are facing any problem, that you just have to click on this support button, and after clicking onto this support button you have to enter your name and you have to enter your email ID with whom you have registered here, your subject, that what problem you are facing, and your message, and just click on to the send message button, and this message will be directly given to the admin, and afterwards admin will contact you within 24 hours. Guys, you have to notice here, within 24 hours admin will answer you. Guys, one thing more I want to tell you, that BTC Cash Daddy are also having a group in Telegram. Guys, Telegram is 101% same as WhatsApp, so you can also join there, and I will be providing the link into the description box. You can join from there, and also link of this BTC Cash Daddy Facebook group is also available in description box. Moreover, you can join under me also. I will support you 110%. As you can see, I am also moderator of this group, so you can ask me anything about this. So finally guys, I request you all to like and share to my Facebook page, and please subscribe to my channel for all the upcoming updates regarding BTC Cash Daddy and all other websites related to online earning. So thanks a lot for watching my video. Have a nice day guys.